Hello everybody, and once again welcome back to How to Guide Your channel. Today in this video I'm going to show you how you can manage your subscription on Melbet, so make sure you follow my step till the end. First thing first, I assume that you already have an account in Melbet and already logged in, and now right after that you'll be able to see the interface of Melbet apps on in the screen, where you can see menu option at bottom right corner. Just click over there and now you'll be redirected to the another section where you can see setting option at top right corner. Once you tap on it, you need to scroll a little bit down and you can see manage subscription option. Once you click there, finally you will be redirected to the manage subscription section where you can manage your subscription over here. So basically this is how you can manage subscription on Melbet, and if you still encounter any issue during this process, feel free to leave a comment and I'll be happy to assist you. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, and if you are new to this channel, make sure to hit the subscribe button and set the bell icon to on so that you can stay updated with our latest content. Thank you for watching and I'll see you next time.